Hi, in this problem, we will see how to solve these trig equations, finding the exact values within this domain and using the calculator and find the approximate values. So we have the equation 2 sin x plus 5 equal to 4 here. So we have to solve this equation within the domain 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so first 2 sin x plus 5 equal to 4. To solve this equation, we have to isolate the sin x term. To isolate the sin x terms, we have to first subtract 5 on each side. You will get 2 sin x. On subtracting 5 on each side, you will get 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. So that is 2 sin x equal to negative 1, and to divide both sides by 2, you will get sin x equal to negative 1 half. Alright, now we have to find the values of x where the sin x equal to negative 1 half. Okay, so now let's take an unit circle here. So sin x equal to negative 1 half. So this is the y equal to negative 1 half. So let's draw the negative 1 half line. So this is the negative 1 half line. You can see this line intersects this unit circle at the 2 points, this point and this point. Okay, that means we have the two solutions. Okay, let's take a reference angle. So you know, in the first quadrant, sine of 30 degrees, sine 30 degrees is 1 half, right? So that is the sine 5 over 6. We have 1 half. Sine 5 over 6 equal to, we have the 1 half, right? So this is negative 5 over 6. So this one angle is negative 5 over 6, and this one is 5 over 6 plus 5, so that is the 7 pi over 6. This one is 7 pi over 6. So to convert this angle, negative angle in the positive angle, we have to subtract, add 2 pi. So that is the, this equal to, that is 2 pi minus 11 pi over 6. So that is 11 pi over 6. So therefore we have x equal to 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. So these are the two solutions this equation has in the domain 0 to 2 pi. Now let's find this another equation. So we have the tan square x plus 2 tan x minus 8 equal to 0. So here we have tan squared x plus 2 tan x minus 8 equal to 0. So to solve this equation within the domain 0 to 2 pi, let's say let tan x equal to some tan x equal, let's say a. So then so we have the constant of negative 8. The factors of the negative 8 are 4 and negative 2. So positive 4 and negative 2. So a plus 4 and a minus 8, a minus 2 are the factors, and we have a plus 4 equal to 0, then a equal to negative 4, and a equal to, we have tan x. So that is the tan x equal to negative 4. So this is the one equation, and the another one is a minus 2 which is equal to 0. So a equal to 2 and a is tan x. So tan x equal to 2. Right. Now we have to find the values of x where tan x equal to -4. Okay, so for this equation we have to use calculator. Okay, so let's use the unit circle. Yeah, so tan x equal to -4, that means the terminal ray has the where the what are the values of x where the terminal ray has the slope -4. The -4 has the slope is in this one, right? So let's say this is -4. Okay, so that means the tangent has the, so this equation has the two solutions. One is in second quadrant and another one in fourth quadrant. Okay, if you use the calculator generally gives the solution in for the tangent of fourth and first quadrant only. So that is the principal domain. Okay, so the tangent, if you use the calculator, it gives in fourth and first quadrant only. So let's use the calculator and find the value of the this tan x. So this can be written as x equal to, so that is the tan inverse of -4, and let's use the calculator. So let's turn on the calculator and press second tan, and you have to make sure you have to set in radian mode, and tan inverse of -4. So this is equal to, so -1.3258 radians. Okay, so this one equal to negative the x equal to -1.3258 radians. So let's say this one is radians. Okay, but we need to find the angle within 0 to 2 pi. Add 2 pi to this angle, so that is equal to x equal to -1.3258 plus 2 pi. So that is equal to, you can use the calculator, add 2 pi. Two times pi. So that is the 4.95736 radians. That is the 4.93736 radians. So this is the one angle. You can see, so this is equal to 4.9376 radians, this angle, and also we have this angle, right? So this angle can be obtained by adding pi to this angle. Okay, so pi to this negative angle. So what is the negative angle we have? -1.3258. We have to add pi. Okay, we have to add this angle to a pi. So that is 1.8155577. So that is the another angle we have. X equal to, so that is the 1.3258 plus pi, we get 1.81577, 1.81577 radians. So that is the angle in second quadrant. So that is 1.81577, this angle. Okay, so this is the equation for the tan x equal to 4. We have to find the values for tan x equal to negative also. The negative values, tan x equal to 2. So this is equal to, the terminal ray has the slope 2. Okay, so tan x equal to 2 means the terminal has the ray slope 2, this one. Okay, so this equation has also two solutions. One is in third quadrant and another one is in first quadrant. Okay, so if you use the calculator, it gives in the general, it gives in first and fourth quadrant only. So we have to use the reference angle and find the other angles. Okay, so let's use tan x equal to 2, that is x equal to tan inverse 2. Okay, so now let's use the calculator. So tan inverse second tan 2, you have, so this is the 1.107148. It is the angle gives in the first quadrant. Okay, that is x equal to, we have 1.10714, 1.10714, let's say we can round it to 5, and this is the angle which is in the first quadrant, but we need the angle in the third quadrant also, so we can add a pi to this angle, we will get this uh, third quadrant angle. Okay, so this is equal to 1.40715 radian, and to get this angle we have to add this angle to a pi, right? So that is x equal to 1.40715 plus pi, so that is, so adding a pi to this angle second, so that is the 4.28741, that is 4.24871. So this is the angle in third quadrant. Okay, so therefore this equation has four solutions in the 0 to 2 pi. So one is this one 1.40715 radian, and the second one we have 1.815777 radian, and third one we have, this one is 4.24871 radians, and the last one we have 4.9376 radians.